Hey everybody. Warning! You are about to watch something semi-educational. This is your last chance to turn this off and load up a video game or go outside and play. Don't say I didn't warn you. Winstreak here. I've been creating a new game and bumped into a feature I thought was cool, so I figured I'd give it a show. Let's see, if we jump in here, we can start up an empty slot here. And we have my character I am choosing. And then clicking on different types changes the color. So this is dynamically changing the color of our character mid-game. You can also right click to set them back. That will not be part of the game. That's just to show that it keeps track of the normal color as well. And yeah, let's jump into the code and we'll see how to do it. So essentially this is done in two steps. So first I have an instance variable right here called color, and it holds an integer. And currently I have 0, 1, 2, and 3 as different options it can be. And depending on if I click 1, 2, 3, it changes between red, blue, green, and 0 brings it back to the gray original color. And in order to do this, we need to track the colors we want to change. And this is done with an effect called replace color. As you can see, I am tracking two separate colors here. I have armor main color and armor shadow color. Pulling this up, we have these two colors we are tracking right here, this dark gray and this light gray. And in order to get these RGB values, we simply use the eyedropper, click on what we want, and the light gray is 213s all the way. I'm gonna ignore the alpha, and then the dark gray is 107 all the way. And you can see I have 213s across the top here. This is the important field. The replace field is gonna be changed dynamically. And then down below we have our second color, so the shadow portion of it. And those are 107s across the board like we saw when we used the eyedropper. So from there, we need to actually change them out with that behavior. And this works in two parts. So first I need to set that color. And this will be done whenever I have anything that is gonna change the color. So during the choose character screen, depending on if I choose fire, lightning, or plague, we set color 1, 2, and 3. And then during the game, I can also have different spells or different effects that will change my color, and I'll be able to continue to set this color throughout the whole game to anything I want, as long as I set it up beforehand. And then down here, I have a group for what the colors do. So as I add more, I'll just add color equals 4, 5, 6, etc. And right here we have color 0, and that's just disabling the effect. So turning all of this off, we are not changing anything. Color 1, we're gonna make sure it's enabled just in case I had already turned it off. And then we're gonna set the effect, and here we type in the new color we want. And we have some discrepancies here. On these top ones, I use RGBA, and then on lower ones, I just use RGB. And essentially, I started out using RGBA for all of them, but the colors did not show up as they should based on the values. So when I couldn't find the colors I needed, I had to remove the A. So I suggest just using RGB, removing that alpha, and that'll allow you to find the colors you want. And I'm sure eventually I'll end up removing all the alphas from here, but I definitely won't be using alpha as I add new colors in the future. But that's all it takes. Recap, pick the colors you want to change, give them the source ID of that color RGB value, and then change that RGB value with the replace. So we are setting parameter 1, which is replace, to these new values, and parameter 0 stays the same, and we just make sure it's enabled. So it's a very easy way to switch your colors up on specific characters, and hopefully that helps you guys out. As I continue to build this game up, I will be looking for user feedback, beta testers, and all that other fun stuff. If you're interested at all, check out below. I'll put my Discord in there, and that'll be the first location where I'll post spoilers, updates, and everything, so you'll always be up to date on anything new that's happening. Otherwise, if you just want my new videos as they come out, make sure you hit that notification button. Let me know in the comments if you bump into any issues using the replace color behavior. I won't be posting all of my code for this game, but if I have individuals with problems, I will be happy to post parts of code or help personally. Just let me know down in the comments or on the Discord. Otherwise, Peace.